After losing 160 pounds through lifestyle changes without surgery, which I began 15 years ago and have maintained, did getting my diabetes in control contribute to my weight loss, or did my weight loss help with getting my diabetes in control? What Noosa Yogurt did to my blood sugar. Will my blood sugar spike or remain controlled? The approximate nutritional value for 8 ounces of Noosa is 270 calories, 11 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, and a high amount of sugar, 32 grams. The glycemic index is low to moderate, and I did have the yogurt 2 hours after I had my breakfast. 2 hours later, will my blood sugar spike or remain controlled? 2 hours after eating, my blood sugar did remain in control with an increase of 25 milligrams. An increase of more than 30 milligrams would be considered a spike depending on where your blood sugar was prior to eating. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Comment below if you'd like me to test a specific food to see how it affects my blood sugar. I did try Yoplait previously. I will attach that video below. I also have different playlists where I talk about weight loss, diabetes, cooking, health, and wellness. Look out for my next video. Until next time. 88 recommendation. For people with diabetes, a spike in blood sugar after eating, postprandial glucose, is typically considered too high if it's more than 30 to 50 milligrams above your pre-meal level, depending on the situation.